What's going on, Motley Garage? Alright, so the other day I had this design that I had to print for a customer. So we got this out of the print bed. Took 27 hours to print. It looks really cool. I'm not a pirate, man, but customer wanted a pirate's skull that I was saying that he wants to put it in a table and then epoxy over it. And what better way to do it with some wood PLA. So with the wood PLA, I ended up grabbing this off Thingiverse. It's just a sugar bowl. My mom wanted me to buy her one off of from the dollar store, and I was like, you know what? 0.3 nozzle. I think the layer height was 0.2. Infill, I did it at 20%. Speed was pretty fast. It took about 4 hours to print, 6 hours to print, I think it was.
No, it didn't.
But it was
6 hours.
6 hours, buddy. All right, 6 hours to print, and it was you know, like I said, 20% infill, and we did 83 millibytes per second, just a skirt. So came out pretty good, pretty light. All right, now I'm working on
6 hours. This one took about a day.
Yeah, 27 hours, buddy. So working on this AI for my code here. I want my player to, not the player, I want my enemy right here in the tutorial. I'm trying to write an enemy script. So like a movement script for the enemy. I don't know if you guys know anything about C# or coding, C++, but it's C#. But in here in the code, see like my range, it's got the red tag and nothing will save. So I gotta go in here and I gotta try and fix it. Been watching a tutorial. Enemy shoot.
As you can see, the enemy spotted me and then started running in different directions.
See, it's not even working at all for me. So that's what I've been doing, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead, go drop this sugar bowl off from my mom to my mom and everything. And I gotta finish this up because I want to send this off to Unity once I'm done. I want to put more stuff in the world. Like I've been, you know, a lot of these enemies, those are just the prefab dropped enemies from the live class that we had last Tuesday, a couple days ago. But this enemy is the main one I've been writing my own scripts and stuff for to get him to like move around and stuff. One script that I wrote, I got him to move. He just kind of jitters. But this script right here, I don't know. It's just not. It ain't working right, so I gotta go through. But all right, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. Flow like water. You guys stay safe out there. Crazy things going on. I'll see you guys in the next video.